Hey everybody, just an update video since I haven't been uploading a lot lately. I've got a couple tutorials in the works still. I haven't been working on my game much since I have school and work and stuff that I've been doing. But here's some clips of progress that I made last month. One of the biggest things that I added last month was attacking and selection behaviors. So now the units will actually attack and they'll select the unit that's closest to them or further away depending on what their abilities are. I also added in some really basic tree destruction, so if the trees get hit by projectiles like you saw right there, they'll actually turn into these destroyed trees, and that's something I want to expand upon more as I develop the game more and more. Another thing is I added in some new units, so I've added in the Tiger 2, which is sort of a like super heavy unit, I guess. Another thing I added are these little selection circles. They're not a very big deal, but I think that they do a lot to make the game look more like a game and less like a weird like simulation thing. I also got infantry working somewhat, so they have different behavior sets than tanks, obviously, and I've run into a lot of problems with them. So I made a whole lot of changes that aren't really visible, which is why this isn't like a full-length video. But as you can see, they're now capable of attacking, and you see that their formations are moving a little bit better than they were previously. Mostly I've been working on small things like tweaking movement and tweaking behaviors, and just some small things that might not really be visible, but were affecting the performance and were affecting, yeah, as you can see, movement still needs to be worked on. There's a lot of issues with it. But I think that all these small pieces, when they come together, like in this little demo right here, they start to work together to make something that looks kind of like a game. Like it looks kind of like there's the illusion of thought and, well, sort of. There's the illusion of thought and there's the illusion of like intelligent decision making going on here. And that's really what I've been trying to achieve. Anyways, thanks for watching. I have more tutorials coming on the way, I promise. It's just that I haven't had the time to sit down and work on them in one big long stretch. I'm going to be graduating in May, so hopefully I'll have more time to work on this kind of stuff. But anyways, thanks again.